I'm Hercules, Bill is my papa. Riding that Pegasus meant for me papa. I'm Hercules, Bill is my papa. Riding that Pegasus meant for me papa. I'm Hercules.
Hey, what it is? It's the kid. About to get out and load on in my fridge. You already know what it is. So, okay, please say cheese. Achoo. Excuse my sneeze. It's the bee's knees. What's next? Okay. Got the mayonnaise. I got that mayonnaise. Can't find nothing wrong with mayonnaise. Okay, we back. Yeah, I got the butter on the track. Yeah, next. Okay. What else we got? Pull up. Run it back. I gotta find some that match. We got a nacho cheese slices. I don't know what they call nacho cheese slices. They jalapenos. All up in your business. Huh, but I'm a witness. You about to witness the best refrigerator rap you ever heard. Lime juice, drink this, you a nerd. I fly like a bird. Jump is a verb. I got a milk. Hold up, bitch, it tastes like silk. What else we got? Little snot. Okay. Got the jerk sauce. Hold up, we got a sauce. What else we got? Nothing else. Need to go to the store so I can get some more. Okay, please don't beg. Right here, we got some eggs. Crack them over your head. Ha, I'm dead. What's this? Cookies, get your sweet fix. Hold up, get your rap fix. Don't be a snitch. Okay, got a great jelly. Throw this on any sandwich. Yeah, and make it great. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't never had red on lock. You got a beer, but I don't drink them. I'm underage, but I'll never drink them. Cause beer is for losers. And also for choosers. Okay, ain't got nothing else in here. Wait, we got bagels. Over in England, this is staple. Okay, I like that. We gonna bring it back. Got a sour cream, I ain't never had it. It probably tastes just like horseradish. That's probably it. I ain't got nothing else here. I might get in trouble for being loud, but I don't care, cause your boy is a clown. That's it. Leave a comment if you liked it. I'll bring some more with. Next time, catch it. Flap it.